indicated. Impact damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Hobart, Crown Point, Highland, Chesterton, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Hebron, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, Lake Station, Lakes of the Four Seasons, South Haven, Porter, and
Lake of the Four Seasons,
including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 7 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 14 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 32. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 242 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Valparaiso University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Indiana Dunes State Park, Lake County Fairgrounds, Porter County Fairgrounds, and South Shore Rail Cats Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
the moment I have hit EAS 200.
This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee, Livingston, Macomb, Monroe, St. Clair, Washington, and Wayne, and the following: St. Clair River, Detroit River, and Lake St. Clair, and Michigan waters of Lake Erie from Detroit River to North Cape, Michigan. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
This is from Michigan, Indiana, and Ohio.
Local radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Let's go.
Tornado watch in effect.
Oh my god, tornado watch!
Issued at 1327 UTC, April 5th, 2023, for the following localities in southern Ontario: Chatham-Kent, Rondo Park, Windsor, Leamington, Essex County. Conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms which may produce tornadoes. Strong winds, large hail, and heavy rain are also possible. Hazards: wind gusts near 100 kilometers per hour, hail up to ping-pong ball size, tornadoes timing late this morning into this afternoon. Discussion: thunderstorms are developing over Michigan and are expected to track eastward into Ontario. As the Great Lakes are very cold, at this time there is a great deal of uncertainty as to how strong these thunderstorms will be as they cross into Ontario. Should the cold temperatures of the lakes be overcome, a strong line of thunderstorms that may produce tornadoes cannot be ruled out. Thunderstorms are expected to move east of the area late this afternoon. Tornado watches are issued when atmospheric conditions are favorable for the development of thunderstorms that could produce tornadoes. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to ons.gc.ca or tweet reports using a storm. For more information, https://www.ontario.ca/page/PE-prepare-emergency. Be prepared for severe weather. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. In the event of a tornado, or if a tornado warning is issued for your area, it is recommended you take the following actions. Go indoors to a room on the lowest floor, away from outside walls and windows, such as a basement, bathroom, stairwell, or interior closet. Leave mobile homes, vehicles, tents, trailers, and other temporary or freestanding shelter, and move to a strong building if you can. As a last resort, lay in a low spot and protect your head from flying debris. Emergency Management Ontario recommends that you take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches.
Holy shit. Okay, thank you!
This afternoon, large hail can damage property and
That movie didn't take long.
wind gusts can toss loose objects, damage weak buildings, break branches off trees, and overturn large vehicles. Remember, severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes. Severe thunderstorm watches are issued when atmospheric conditions are favorable for the development of thunderstorms that could produce large hail, damaging winds, torrential rainfall. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to onstorm@ec.gc.ca or tweet reports using Unstorm. For more information,
Fuck me! Shit! Oh, great. Triple header! How many? What are we gonna get?
At 9:54 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday, Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Bruce County. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm.
I am now under a watch.
Hail. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Intense lightning is likely and tornadoes are possible.
I am confirmed to be under a severe thunderstorm watch. Shit. Wide-Run Regional Cruise. This is actually insanity again. Here we go again.
Severe thunderstorm watch in effect by Environment Canada.
That is me.
Shit. April 5th, 2023. For the following localities in southern Ontario: Simcoe, Delhi, Norfolk, Dunnville, Caledonia, Haldimand, Brantford.
I was not expecting this.
St.
Yeah, I heard it.
Grimsby,
I heard it. It said City of Hamilton. I am under this.
Southern Niagara region. Conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms that may be capable of producing strong wind gusts and large hail. Hazards: wind gusts near 90 kilometers per hour, hail up to ping-pong ball size. Timing: late this morning through this afternoon. Discussion: thunderstorms are developing over Michigan and are expected to track eastward into Ontario. As the Great Lakes are very cold, at this time there is a great deal of uncertainty as to how strong these thunderstorms will be as they cross into Ontario. Should the cold temperatures of the lakes be overcome, a strong line of thunderstorms is expected. Thunderstorms are expected to move east of the area early this evening. Large hail can damage property and cause injury. Strong wind gusts can toss loose objects, damage weak buildings, break branches off trees, and overturn large vehicles. Remember, severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes. Severe thunderstorm watches are issued when atmospheric conditions are favorable for the development of
Oh no!
produce one or more.
That is me! There's a chance of thunderstorms producing tornadoes! I am under an SVA!
Forecasts issued by Environment.
SVA!
To report severe weather, send an email to onstorm@ec.gc.ca or tweet reports using Unstorm. For more information, https://www.ontario.ca/page/be-prepare-emergency. Lightning kills and injures Canadians every year. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. Emergency Management Ontario recommends that you take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches.
Oh my god! Wow! Wow! Thank you! No way! Special marine warning! No way! That is no way!
Special marine warning in effect by Environment Canada.
No way!
1404
No way!
April 5th, 2023. For the following localities in Canadian portion of the Great Lakes and the Ontario portion of the St. Lawrence River.
Oh.
Eastern Lake Ontario. Wind gusts up to 30
Oh,
knots.
frick.
Frequent lightning and hail up to 2 centimeters are expected.
Oh no, not
Large hail can damage
again.
vessels and cause injury. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada.
Now we got a
For
special
more information,
marine.
monitor Canadian Coast Guard radio or weaker radio stations.
We got a
Mariners are
special
advised
marine
to
warning
prepare
for
strong
Eastern
winds.
Lake, Ontario.
Underway, plan to seek safe harbor.
Yep, special marine warning in effect.
Southwest. Today.
Again? Again? Again, a special marine warning? What? What do you want? This is...
Special marine warning in effect by Environment
And suddenly Q1. Oh,
April 5th,
damn it.
2023. For the following localities in Canadian portion of the Great Lakes and the Ontario portion of the St. Lawrence River. Southern Lake Huron. Wind gusts up to 30 knots and hail up to 2 centimeters are expected or occurring in the area. Large hail can damage vessels
This
and
is-
injury. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. For more information, monitor Canadian Coast Guard radio or weather radio stations. Mariners are advised to prepare for strong winds. If underway, plan to seek safe harbor.
This evening.
3, 2, 1.
20 by morning.
And activate!
Wind chill mod-
Here we go again.
At 10:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Now this is for parts of Ontario.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Bruce County and Huron County. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing up to nickel-size hail. Take cover
I think this
immediately
is the
if threat
storm
weather
causing
approaches.
this.
Intense lightning is likely and tornadoes are possible with any thunderstorm that develops.
Holy freak, this is Canada insanity again. Come on! I don't think it's gonna activate, but oh well.
Conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms that may be capable of producing strong wind gusts and large hail. Large hail can damage property and cause injury.
Another one!
Cause loose objects,
You
damage
frick!
vehicles,
Another special marine warning?
vehicles. Severe thunderstorm watches are issued when atmospheric conditions are favorable for the development of thunderstorms that could produce one or more of the following: large hail, damaging winds.
Instant weather, you gotta go live!
Continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to ec.ec.gc.
They just expanded it for Stratford, Mitchell, and Southern Perth County. But how come they did not issue it yet?
.ca/page/be-prepare-emergency. Lightning kills
Well,
Canadians every year.
oh my
Remember,
God.
when thunder roars, go indoors. Emergency Management Ontario recommends that you take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches.
My gosh, this isn't great. Hey, thank you! Oh! Oh, shit, what? What?
Forecast for city of Toronto.
You jump scared me! Holy